little bit of sugar. We're getting near the entrance area.
What?
Souvenirs in the entrance area.
This is souvenirs already.
Alright, done already?
Yeah.
How many steps you made today?
I know, I paused it, damn it. Lang niya
You still
talaga.
continue the steps? Wait till 6. What? 6, 7 o'clock.
All the shows here?
Huh?
All the
Churros?
shows here?
In the main.
Oh, okay.
We gotta go around. Going to the train?
No.
Why?
That's so slow.
Oh my god. It's better because it's worth your money. You know, you wait in line for like a 1 hour train, then it's a big train, not like a 2-day train. Like a 2-hour train. Step, step, step. Coffee, where's the coffee?
That's okay.
Nice coffee?
I don't know.
Just some nice coffee.
Where?
Starbucks right there, no? Starbucks in the exit?
Okay, we'll get Starbucks.
It's gonna be a long Starbucks though.
Oh, yeah.
This show should be here somewhere. Kind of the train tracks right here. See, you get a lot of people here.
You want to do the train, Emma?
It's up to you.
I'll do the train. It's not a long line. Come on.
Every 15 minutes. Maybe a bit.